Greetings from Germaniavikens in Danderyd. It is time for beach day number 50 of my Sweden beach adventures. Well, the weather is not the best. It's very rainy today, as I would say, and super depressing and cloudy as well. And I'm still on my streak on the sea beaches. So today I'm showing you yet another beach on the sea, and this is quite a big one, located in Danderyd, one of the richest municipalities in Sweden actually. There is a small sandy beach that I have passed by in the beginning of this video, but I'm going to show you now as well to see how it is. A huge green area that is very populated on a hot day, which is not this one. Here is the sandy beach, but I am more inclined to jump from the jumping platform that you will see in a bit. And we can see that the water quality here is 3 out of 3 stars. So yeah, the day is 5th of July today, and to get here from my home it took me just 1 hour, including changes of 2 metros, the green line and the red line, and then a bus from Danderyd to Hus. That's quite often. And to my surprise, I was not the only one here on the beach. I thought that it's gonna be completely empty, but when I came there were 3 people that were done with their swim here by the jumping platform. And it's quite nice nature here, and if I remember correctly, the weather was pretty much the same when I was here last year. But a few years ago it was super crowded. This whole beach, it was full with people everywhere on a hot summer day. Now let's see my beach spot for today, which is gonna be quite short stay on the beach for me due to the weather, but I'm definitely going in for a swim. And today is beach day number 50 on my Sweden beach adventures. Well, it's very hard to beat last year's score of 215 days because I was traveling abroad a lot in the past few months. So that record will be to be broken some other year. Here we have a sign that says dykning sker på egen risk, that diving is on your own risk. And that we have a live buoy here, live buoy from Danderyd municipality. And this is the sea. However, the water is not as salty as it is, for example, in Djursholm or Nacka or Haninge, but still it is quite decent. And we can see lots of houses as well as while I was passing by. And on the other side we can see even leading another posh island that I will be visiting in the upcoming days for sure. So yeah, I'm now ready to jump into the sea and to enjoy a nice swim. So follow me and let's dive in. Ooh. Yes, that's the sea. I can feel it. I can taste it. And it's just amazing that on a day like this I have the whole beach spot for myself, at least for now, until some other group maybe comes in to enjoy a nice swim here. As yeah, 14 degrees Celsius in the water, but still nice and relaxing despite the depressing weather for sure. So if you want to jump into the sea, you can come to Germaniavikens, or if you want to enjoy on the green field or sandy beach as well. I'm not really sure why this is called Germania. which is actually, it reminds of Deutschland, which is the name for Germany in Macedonian also. But yeah, it may be with some German people that were living here. I don't know if someone knows the story, let me know in the comments. But this is maybe the 5th year that I'm coming here. I was also cycling to this place when I was living in Tensta in North Stockholm, as it is not so far away. But I don't have the urgency to cycle from my home to here, because I have much more better beaches facing on the south side of Stockholm. But yeah, then it's time to wrap up this celebratory 50th beach day for today. And I'm gonna be chilling a bit more as the rain has stopped now almost, before I head back home and get a nice hot tea to warm myself. Yes, greetings from Germaniavikens in Danderyd, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.